every pony.
Hey, Pony.
We are here on location at Dairy Queen.
Yes.
And Bella is having her very first blizzard.
Yes.
What kind did you get?
I got honey candy blizzard.
Yes, and I got the mint Oreo blizzard, also called the grasshopper blizzard. It's my absolute favorite.
That Oreo mint blizzard reminds me minty colors.
It is a minty color. It's a very minty flavor with a nice chocolate. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite, though I can say I really do like yours.
Yeah, it looks like our colors.
It looks like our colors, and it's a cotton candy, and it really does taste like cotton candy.
Yeah.
It's like they took pieces of cotton candy and put it in ice cream. So it's got the flavor of cotton candy and vanilla ice cream, which is so good. Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, I always try bite.
Very good. So, it's kind of nice having blizzards in Florida, isn't it?
Yeah.
We don't get regular blizzards, so we have to come to Dairy Queen for blizzards. So would you recommend the cotton candy blizzard?
Yeah.
Do you like the cotton candy blizzard better, or do you like my mint blizzard?
I like cotton candy. It reminds me our colors.
Yeah, it's really good.
Look at me.
I used to get the mint Oreo blizzard as my Friday treat years and years and years ago. I'd work all day, and after my paycheck, I'd go and I'd get a mint Oreo blizzard. We call them grasshopper blizzards. Always my favorite. Well, I hope you guys go and try a blizzard this summer. Bye, every pony.
Bye, every pony. Please click like and subscribe to join our pony family.